Hi. Who is it?
Good day, miss.
Good day.
Are you Miss Olive?
Yes.
Well, miss, I've come to the understanding that you're being involved in some illegal activities,
Like what, sir?
lottery scamming.
Me? Wait, a joke I make. Man, I rang you to come.
I'm not a joker, miss.
Mine are the wrong you to come, sir. My name is Alice. Very independent, hard-working woman. Where you get this information from?
Well, miss, we got a call today that some illegal activities have been going on in this residence. The person says that the person said that the person's name is Miss Olive. So I've come here to tell you this information.
Me.